Drip drop whispers in the light. Silver rain keeps painting night. Every shadow fades away as the storm begins to sway. Cold neon reflections glow on the empty streets below. Heaven sings through every sound. Peace and silence all around. Rain keeps dancing on the glass. Moments fading slowly past. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Let the quiet pull you in. Feel the echoes in your soul. Let the falling waters flow. Every heartbeat moving slow. Take control and let it go. Breathe in deep, let the rhythm flow. A lullaby from the sky, soft and slow. In the rain's embrace, feel the glow. Dream away where peace will grow. Lights above begin to shine, washing every fear from mine. Through the storm we lose control. Rainfall healing every soul. Every drop becomes a tone, guiding hearts that feel alone. Through the clouds the skyline sways, carried by the stormy pace. Floating through the midnight blue, finding something pure and true. Let the rainfall lead the way, till the darkness fades to gray. Hold on close, don't drift away. Hear the sky in shades of gray. Every teardrop, every wave carries all we could not say. Breathe in deep, let the rhythm flow. Feel the energy rising slow. In the rain's embrace, we glow. Under clouds where silence lies, rain and music harmonize. Surrender now and close your eyes. In the storm, true peace